hearty, heart-healthy, nutritious cereal, packaged in perfect portions for a quick, delicious breakfast. Weetabix East Africa has been in the local market for over 30 years and is the leading breakfast cereal manufacturer in Kenya. The company also markets imported products such as Alpenmuesli, Wheatos, Fruit and Fiber and Oatbix. Quality harvested wheat is stored at the plant in these 90-kilogram bags and fumigated to ensure no pests enter the production process. Pesticide pellets are placed among the bags and the consignment is covered for 72 hours. The pest-free grain is now put through the wheat cleaning and conditioning plant, which is all managed from this central automated control unit. The wheat first passes through a powerful magnet to remove any small pieces of metal. It is then moved to the vibrating grain separator, where anything larger or smaller than the desired grain size is mechanically removed. The wheat then passes through an air cycling machine which sucks out dust and any light particles. Next is the de-stoner, where stones and heavy particles are removed using vibration. After this, the wheat passes through a trier to remove any broken wheat grains. The surface of the wheat grain is now cleaned in the scourer and the resulting dust and particles sucked up in another air cycling machine. The clean wheat needs to be at a specific moisture level for processing, and so water is added at this point. The machine senses motion in the screw conveyor and activates the water spray. The screw conveyor thoroughly mixes the wheat and even allows some wheat to fall back to ensure the perfect moisture content. The wheat then soaks in a large silo for 8 hours before weighing into portions for production. The wheat is now steamed in these containers. A mixture of vitamins, malt, water, sugar, salt and trace elements is added and the container sealed. After 23 minutes, the container is opened and the wheat poured out. Below the steamer, the wheat is dosed with more vitamins and dried in this rotating mesh which allows air to flow through. The grain is passed through this separator and crushed between the large rotating cylinders. The whole grains end up as these moldable, moist flakes. A secret patented machine now presses the wheat flakes into the familiar biscuits we know. They are now checked for size, weight and moisture content at this point. The biscuits are now baked. The first oven is set at 167 degrees to reduce the moisture content and make the biscuits brittle. You can see the reduction in size after baking. The second oven is set to 174 degrees to give the biscuits their appealing golden brown color. After baking, the biscuits are cooled. The conveyor twists the biscuits on their side, and here the worker separates them into groups of 12. At the next station, a worker places some biscuits in the value pack packaging machine and some in the economy pack line. The biscuits are heat sealed and pass through the final metal detector to ensure no foreign bodies are in the packages. They are then boxed, ready for transport. A unique, convenient and healthy breakfast cereal. Weetabix, made in Kenya.